ones at home or in daycare, the FDA is warning parents not to use powdered infant formulas manufactured at an Abbott plant that's been linked to bacterial contamination.
The FDA says that 3 different brands could be impacted by this recall. Those are Similac, Alimentum, and Elecare. Health officials say that there have been 4 illnesses reported. All of those illnesses required hospitalization. In one case, a death was reported because of the potentially dangerous bacteria. Abbott says the recall doesn't affect any liquid formulas, just the powdered ones.
Today we are joined by Dr. David Sink from Connecticut Children's Hospital. Thanks so much for being here, Doctor.
Happy to be here. Thank you.
Okay, so tell us, how does this recall impact Connecticut Children's Hospital?
Sure. Well, I'm a neonatologist and medical director of our NICU at UConn, and we also have patients in our Hartford NICU who may have been exposed or potentially exposed to those recalled powder cans. So with our team last night and today, we've been reviewing all of our codes for those infant powdered formulas and removed all of those formulas from our supply and our warehouses and replacing them with the appropriate either liquid formula or similar formula from a different brand.
All right, doctor, so if I'm a parent, I've been using this powdered formula with my baby at home for the past several weeks, maybe the past several days, I'm just seeing this. What should those parents do?
Sure. Stay calm. I will say this is a concern, but the incidence is relatively low. It is important to check that can that you may have a powdered infant formula. And Similac, Abbott has provided SimilacRecall.com website where you could enter in the code from the bottom of your can, and it will tell you if that's part of the recall or not. We've been doing that ourselves at Connecticut Children, and it's very easy to use. Now, if your baby has been taking that recalled powdered formula, it is important if you see that your baby is acting differently, if your baby is not feeding well, is having a fever, or just not very active, then you should call your pediatrician right away. But I would just say that the likelihood of this happening is a relatively low likelihood, but it is something to be on watch for.
Okay, so parents who have been using formulas, to switch formulas can be incredibly stressful because your child works on that formula, that's what they're used to, that's what they've been using. If that formula isn't within the expiration date, I think it was like April, can they still use that product is what I'm trying to ask, if it is not within that date?
So what is important to remember is that some of these products are out there that were named in the recall by name, say Elecare, Alimentum, Similac Pro Advance. However, those cans may not necessarily be part of the recall. If you have any questions, it's always a good idea to follow up with your healthcare provider just to get reassurance of whether that product can continue to be used. There are possibilities you could switch to the liquid formulation of the same product. There are, however, products, the Elecare and Alimentum, that are sort of specialty products that you have to be careful about switching to for tolerance reasons, and those you want to talk to your healthcare provider about as well.
Dr. David Sink from Connecticut Children's. Doctor, we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure, anytime. Thank you.